Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do another blind mystery box opening, and it's going to be one of my favorite pins to collect, Disney princesses. But it's not just any Disney princess blind box. It is a Loungefly Disney princess floral, but the Disney princesses look more like a Ragdoll kind of cutie. Okay, I'm just gonna show you so you know what I'm talking about. See, it's got like a Raggedy Ann kind of cutie look to them. There's Jasmine, Pocahontas, Rapunzel, Belle, Ariel, and Snow White. And if you've seen any of our other videos, you'll know that my favorites are Jasmine, Belle, Ariel, Pocahontas. Snow White and Rapunzel I like, but they're not my favorites, to be honest. So you guys know which ones I'm definitely eyeballing and wanting. And yeah, I got these at Hot Topic, and I'm really excited to open these with you guys today. I only got 4, so it's not enough to complete the set, but I'm going to be definitely trying to get some more later because I did get some cash from purchasing these ones. So we'll definitely try and see if we can collect the set. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to open this one first. Let's see what we'll get. There is the downside with Loungefly is they only provide 1 pin per box. And let's see if we can tear this one. There we go. Okay. Honestly, the one thing I do like about these is how it's like a dark gray in the back. Looks gorgeous. All right, let's see which one we got. We got Rapunzel. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got these when I was hecka tired. I didn't really take a good look at them. And then when I fell asleep and got some decent sleep, I looked at the back and I was like, "Oh, I didn't realize I got these." I wasn't sure if I was going to like them too much, but honestly, I actually do like them. These are really cute. I'm not typically into the cutie pins. Hopefully we don't get any duplicates today, but I don't know. We've been getting some really good luck with Haunted Mansion, so maybe this one will be, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so this one is box number 2. I already started to look and see which one. So far we got Rapunzel right here. Let's see what we get. Okay, these always make me nervous. All right. And I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's Snow White, of course. The two that I'm least enthusiastic about. But you know what? She's really cute. She's actually really cute. And I'm very happy it's not a duplicate. So I will take that. All right, box number 3. So far we have Snow White and Rapunzel. Hopefully I'll be able to get one of these two. We'll see. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Okay. Oh, okay. This one's definitely different. I don't know which one this one would be. Oh, it's Jasmine. Oh my gosh. Look at that. No duplicates so far. That's amazing. That's amazing. Honestly, I can't tell you how many times I've watched videos like Spill the Mad Tea. If you guys haven't watched them, please check them out. But I always feel so bad when they open duplicates. Okay, box number 4. So far we have Jasmine, Rapunzel, and Snow White. Okay, let's see which one this one is. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. I'm not gonna lie, these always make me nervous. Oh, we got a duplicate. Snow White. That's okay. 1 duplicate, I'll take it. Out of 4 boxes, that's not bad. She'll be a traitor. No big deal. Yeah, I would say that was a huge success. I'm going to show you all the ones that we got. Minus the duplicate Snow White. So we got Rapunzel. And Jasmine. And of course, Snow White. We got 2 of her. Super cute. Loungefly is really stepping up their game. They're doing a phenomenal job so far. Just a friendly reminder, guys, we are doing a giveaway for the... So just a heads up, guys, we are doing a giveaway for the Mulan limited release designer collection. This one we got from our Woodburn haul, Disney outlet Woodburn haul. It's the only Disney outlet left in all of Oregon, and absolutely stunning if you ask me. Look at that shape. It opens and closes. There we go. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. And you do have to like and comment on all of our videos in December, the month of December. And we are going to announce the winner in January. So hopefully we'll get a couple of people who are able to enter so we can do this giveaway. If we don't get any entries, that's okay. You know, we'll just see how it goes as time goes by and see if we can do another giveaway in the future. Not a big deal. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I love doing these blind mystery boxes, and I love to open them up and see what we get alongside with you guys. And we'll see you in the next video. I hope you take care.